Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Anderson. I'm going to walk you through your activity for today. So far you have listened to the story The Good Egg read aloud. Now I'm walking you through the directions for the activity that you're going to complete on the last slide. Today I really want you to think about yourself, just as the egg thought about himself in the story. In the story, the egg really focuses all of his energy on helping others and making sure everything is going right. But sometimes things are out of our control. It's important for each of us to help others, but also take care of ourselves. So today I'd like you to really reflect on yourself and think about what are things that you're in control of that can make you happy, and then things that are out of your control that you kind of have to let go. Pretend the hand on the worksheet is your own, and inside the hand are three green boxes. I want you to type in three things that you're in control of. For example, you might type, I'm in control of my emotions. Another idea you could type in there is, I'm in control of how I treat others. Think of some things that you're in control of and put those inside the green boxes in the hand. Then I want you to think about things that are outside of your control. Those things you're going to put in the orange boxes that are outside of your hand. So thinking about things that are going on today, you might type that I can't control that I don't get to see my friends at school. And then type a couple more things that are out of your control right now. When you're done, you can turn it in, but please remember, taking care of yourself is important because you are important. I hope you all have a great day.